The 2.7-litre EcoBoost engine is a twin-turbo direct-injected gasoline V6 designed to rival the performance of larger displacement naturally aspirated engines while using less fuel and emitting fewer pollutants. Developed in collaboration with German engineering firm FEV, this compact V6 is assembled at Ford's Lima facility in Ohio. Despite sharing the EcoBoost moniker with the 3.5 V6, the 2.7 variant does not utilize the same components. First introduced in 2015 for the Ford F-150, the 2.7 EcoBoost quickly became a popular choice for various Ford and Lincoln models, including the Ford Edge Sport, Fusion Sport, and Lincoln MKX and Continental. We will explore the core design elements of this engine, examine its frequent issues, and assess its overall reliability and durability. The 2.7 EcoBoost stands out with its two-piece engine block comprising an upper block and a lower block. The upper section is constructed from compacted graphite iron, the same robust alloy used for the 3.0L and 6.7 Power Stroke engines, and houses the cylinder bores, fractured main bearing caps, crankshaft pistons, individual piston cooling jets, and offset I-beam connecting rods. Bolted to this iron structure is the die-cast aluminum lower block, which acts as a ladder frame secured to both the iron block and bearing caps for added rigidity. A composite oil pan then seals the bottom of this assembly. Additionally, Ford equipped this engine with an integrated front cover, IFC. This complex part contains the water pump, oil passages for the cooler, the oil filter, cam phasing mechanisms, and components for the accessory drive. Beyond these functions, the IFC also contributes extra structural support. Aluminum cylinder heads crown the engine, complete with integrated water-cooled exhaust manifolds. Dual overhead camshafts, driven by chains, operate 4 valves per cylinder via roller finger followers, while variable cam timing on both intake and exhaust sides optimizes performance and efficiency. To further boost power and torque, the 2.7 EcoBoost relies on a pair of turbochargers. The intake tract includes an air-to-air intercooler, along with composite piping and an intake manifold. A reverse flow cooling system, variable displacement oil pump, and auto stop-start feature round out the engine's design. Equipped with direct fuel injection, it delivers precise fuel control while reducing detonation risks, supported by a notably high compression ratio of 10.3 to 1. In 2018, Ford introduced a second-generation 2.7 EcoBoost 5.6 for the F-150 lineup. Drawing on many of the advancements seen in the second-generation 3.5 EcoBoost, this version added dual injection technology combining port and direct injection, a new high-pressure exhaust gas recirculation (EGR) system, and a redesigned dual-chain camshaft drive with lightweight camshafts. The turbos were also updated, featuring electronically controlled wastegates, and the oil pump was upgraded to a variable displacement design managed electronically. Beyond these core changes, additional friction reduction measures helped make the revamped 2.7L EcoBoost more efficient and dependable than its predecessor. The Ford 2.7 EcoBoost is a relatively modern design, with its compacted graphite iron block and twin-turbo setup providing impressive performance for its size. Despite generally positive feedback, there are still areas where owners have reported problems and recommended caution. Some early production engines suffered from head gasket failures, resulting in coolant mixing with the oil or entering the combustion chamber. These issues led to a few instances of blown head gaskets as well as warranty-covered head replacements. While it's not a widespread defect, keeping an eye on coolant and oil levels can help catch potential leaks before they escalate. Ford's use of a composite plastic oil pan can occasionally result in leaks if the seal or pan itself is improperly installed or damaged. For most drivers, this isn't a chronic issue, but it's wise to check for oil seepage around the pan during routine maintenance or when changing the oil. The second-generation 2.7 EcoBoost employs both direct injection and port injection. This design significantly curbs carbon buildup on intake valves, an issue that's more common in engines relying solely on direct injection. By spraying fuel onto the valves, port injectors help keep those areas cleaner, improving overall reliability and potentially prolonging the lifespan of the engine. As with most turbocharged engines, the 2.7 EcoBoost demands premium synthetic oil and regular oil changes. Failing to follow recommended oil intervals can shorten the life of the turbochargers and other critical components. Frequent checks for oil discoloration or drops in oil pressure are beneficial, especially if you tow or frequently push the engine hard. Direct injectors in this engine are closer to the combustion chamber, making them more susceptible to deposits. Over time, clogged injectors can lead to rough idling or misfires. Adding a quality fuel injector cleaner to your maintenance routine or having injectors professionally cleaned can help stave off these problems. A few owners have noted occasional misfires linked to aging spark plugs or coil packs. Since turbocharged engines operate at higher cylinder pressures, spark plug gaps can erode faster. Sticking to the manufacturer's spark plug replacement schedule, or even replacing them earlier, can improve long-term performance and prevent drivability issues. The 2.7 EcoBoost responds well to aftermarket tuning and modifications, but raising boost levels or altering timing can increase stress on internal components. If you plan on modifying this engine, invest in quality parts and consider professional tuning to avoid excessive wear or early failures. Owners who adhere to proper maintenance schedules and use high-quality fluids tend to find the 2.7 EcoBoost both dependable and fun to drive. While early models occasionally faced head gasket issues and leaks from the plastic oil pan, the second generation's dual injection system and ongoing refinements have addressed many initial concerns. As with any turbocharged engine, vigilance, especially regarding oil changes, coolant checks, and spark plug health, goes a long way toward preserving reliability over the long haul.